Hello everyone, myself Aditi, and today I'm back with LeetCode's another daily challenge problem. So in this video we are going to solve question number 342, that is power of 4. So we are given an integer n and we have to return true if the number or integer n is a power of 4, otherwise we have to return false. Okay, so they say that integer n is a power of 4 if there exists an integer x such that 4 raised to the power x is equal to n. So there are examples given. To understand the examples better, let me take you to the example. So basically there are two approaches. Basically there are two things to keep in mind. First is that n when n is less than equal to 0. Okay, so you clearly know 4 raised to the power x, okay, 4 raised to the power x cannot be negative or 0. Okay, it cannot be negative or 0. Why it cannot be negative? Because its 4 is a positive number, so its power cannot be negative, and it can also not be 0. It can be greater than 0, but it cannot be 0 as well. Fine, so we are going to check when n modulo 4 is equal to 0, that is it is divisible by 4. Fine, so continuously for that particular integer n, for example, suppose n is 16 as given in the example. If n is 16, you leave or you see no remainder in the end. Basically it is divisible by 4, so you will continuously keep on dividing until n becomes 1. Okay, so basically if in the end you find on continuously dividing the integer n by 4, if you find n becomes 1, what does that mean? If it becomes 1, that simply means that the power was divisible by 4 completely, right? So basically x was some integer, and in this case you will return 2. Okay, so now let's implement the solution. Okay, so first of all we'll check if n is less than equal to 0. Okay, if it is less than equal to 0, we will clearly return false, and next we'll run a loop while n modulo 4 equal to 0. Okay, in this case what are we going to do? We are simply changing the value of n, that is we are dividing it continuously by 4. Okay, and in the end we'll return n equal to 1. Fine, let's run the code. Okay, so it is accepted. Let's submit it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned.